Hi, grade 6 students. This is Mrs. Muir. I just wanted to review how to subtract decimals with you. We did do this last year with hundredths, and now that we're subtracting with thousandths, it's a little bit harder, but not much. So our first example that we're going to do is 0.892. And from this number, we are going to subtract 0.4 or 1. There we go. And so you can see when I'm subtracting these two numbers, I'm lining up the place values nice and neatly. So the tens are with the tenths, the hundreds are with the hundreds, and thousands are with the thousands. And when I subtract them, I'm simply just going to do it as normal. So 2 minus 1 is 1, 9 minus 1 is 8, and 8 minus 4 is 4. And here's our decimal, and we don't have anything in the ones. And so that is our answer for a very simple question without any regrouping. We simply take away the way we have always done, making sure the decimals are all lined up neatly. So what would happen if we had a slightly more difficult question? So let's say it's 1.4 minus 0.002. So the numbers are pretty easy, but it makes it a little more difficult because we have some wonky decimals. So here, let's start with 1.4, and we want to take away 0.002. So this looks weird. I need to add some placeholders. We know that 1.4 is the same as 1.400. That's not a problem. And now we can do some regrouping. So if I'm subtracting 2 from 0, I don't have anything there. So I need to go to the next one, still don't have anything. Go all the way over to tenths and take 1 out, leaving me with 3. Make this a 10, and let's leave 9 in here and bring 1 hundredth into the thousandths. So now I have 10 thousandths, taking away 2 thousandths, which will leave me 8 thousandths, and 9 hundredths without any taken away, and 3 tenths without any taken away, and there's the decimal, and there's the 1. So in this one, it was a little more difficult because we had to add some place values, but after we did some regrouping, pretty straightforward from subtracting, just like regular. I think that's probably the most difficult question you're going to face here. It's not that tricky, but let's do one more example. Let's say we're taking away 3 minus 1.052. And so if we set that one up, same similar kind of thing, we're going to have 3 minus 1.052, add in some placeholders, and you can see we're going to have to do some regrouping. Okay, so let's get a different pen. I don't have any thousandths, I don't have any hundredths, I don't have any tenths, let's go all the way to the ones. We're going to have 2 left. We're going to make that 10 tenths, and make that now 9, bringing the 1 here. Cross that out, make that a 9, and 10 here. So now I can subtract. That's just simply 8, 4, 9, line out the decimal, and 2 minus 1 is 1. Okay, so pretty straightforward. That's how you subtract decimals. I hope the questions aren't too hard for you, but you can email me if you're having any trouble. Talk to you later.